the visualization software for John Padgett's The Evolution and Autocatalysis of Language project. This software is written in the Python language, which has a variety of benefits. It's a language that's very easy to pick up, very easy to distribute. It's actually one of the most popular languages in the world, and it's very easy to maintain, and that was one of our goals in developing it, so that this software can continue to be used into the future. To actually start using it, we'll just run a Python script, which will bring up a prompt where we can select the variables we'd like for this particular run of the model. There are quite a few. There are more to come. A key one in this particular case is the fraction of the run, which we're actually displaying the graphics. In a computationally intensive model like this, frequently you won't look at the earlier part and only collect the more interesting data at the end. But for today's demoing purposes, we'll turn that off so that we can see everything. So here's the main visualization part of the software. You see the cells moving around in the middle right now. Over on the right-hand side, we're keeping track of rules inside the cells. The panel below, this particular parameter set doesn't have a window, but it's very similar to the one above it. Few other things about the model, or what we can do here. We can toggle on and off labels for the cells. These labels are showing us the content of the cells. Unfortunately, they slow everything down a little bit, so frequently it makes sense to just leave them off and only look at those a bit later. Another key feature is just pausing, and we can do a closer inspection of cells. So over here we have the cell, just some basic information about it that lets us see what's actually going on in the model. This next button actually allows us to speed it up a little bit. It prioritizes different parts of the code and allows it to just speed up. Another key feature when you're looking at models like this, and really this is to inspect hard to understand phenomena in the model, is to just sort of pause and rewind the whole thing. So there are checkpoints. We'll go back a bunch, reset everything so that we can continue forward. So this model, or rather the software, is still under development, but again we have the basic infrastructure set up. It'll be easy to extend, easy to bring new people on board to use, and importantly allow us to push forward with the science of the